everybody, I'm Vanessa with Ronkita Custom Sewing and Design. In this video, I'm going to show you how to thread elastic through a casing using the 2 safety pin method. To thread your elastic through a casing, you'll need a few things to start with. You will, of course, need your elastic, you'll need 2 safety pins, and then your garment. For this demo, I've created a simple loop to mimic the waistband on a skirt. It has a hole, and that's where we're going to insert our elastic. First, you'll need to take your safety pins and attach them on either side of your elastic. The second safety pin will be attached to the opposite end of your elastic. However, you will attach it to your actual garment. The reason for this is as you're threading your elastic through, it starts to pull because your elastic is often shorter than the actual piece you're putting it in. And as it's pulling, this will keep it in place and prevent it from getting sucked in, and it'll also help keep it from twisting. So with your other side of your safety pin, you're going to insert it into the opening, and you will simply use it as a guide. You will push towards the safety pin, you'll feel it, and then you'll hold on to the safety pin, grab the fabric on the other side, and pull it. You can see there how far it's already moved. Again, push the fabric, hold the safety pin, pull it through. Push the fabric, hold the safety pin, pull and push, and just keep doing this all the way around until you reach that original opening. Go ahead and pull the elastic out a good 2 to 3 inches so that way you have a nice grip on it. And now you want to remove this original safety pin. However, do not lose this elastic piece. Remove that, hold on to it, pull it out some, and then what we will do is then you attach it. You will sew your elastic together here after you remove your safety pin. You will sew your elastic here with a zigzag stitch to allow for stretching. Then you will pull everything nice and straight. You will sew this hole closed, and you'll have a nice elastic piece. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some useful information out of this. Be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram as Ronkita Design, and check out my website for more information.